What's up, what's good everyone? In this video I will be showing you guys how to face paint Applejack from My Little Pony Equestria girls. First step, find a super teeny brush. Then paint in the 3 white freckles on each of her cheeks. It's very important that this is done first because it's really hard to paint white on top of any color. Use an eyeliner or eyebrow marker to draw in the apple. So I got all of these new brushes for Christmas. I'm so excited to use them. Specifically this one because the other brush that I used instead of this sucked. It was awful. Paint everything pastel orange, avoiding the freckles and the apple. I mean, you could paint the apple, that'd be a little pointless. Then paint the apple red and the leaf green. Then I cannot stress to you enough, if you are like full-on cosplaying or you have any plans of painting your hands, put the wig on first. I cannot believe I forgot this. All the other ponies that I have done, I remembered this rule, but for some reason, totally forgot to do that for Applejack. So now I have an orange spot on my blonde wig. But that's okay, because Applejack's hat covers it, and you guys can learn from my mistakes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more of Applejack, then you can actually check out my ASL cover where I did Apples to the Core, the song from, I think it was season 3, could be wrong. And I will be signing what my cutie mark is telling me has all of the ponies soon. I just have to finish doing Rarity and Twilight, and then that video will be all done. So I'm really excited for that. Hit subscribe to see the face painting for Rarity and Twilight, and then check out my signing channel for all the other stuff. One more thing, if you guys have any requests for face painting or drawing that you want to see me do, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do them. And I will see you guys next time.